Don't you think it's insanely attractive to flex about your bank balance and spend millions knowing you have many different sources of income? Scott Michael Disick is a famous American media personality who is best known for the social activities he is involved in. Scott's extravagant spending is nothing compared to his net worth. In fact, he just splurged on an ultra-luxurious mega mansion in Hollywood. So, what are the unique features of this lavish mansion? And despite having many other mansions, why was there a need to buy a new one in Hollywood? Let's find out. Several reports call the move an attempt to secure a party-ready bachelor pad, while others reveal he purposely chose a place near the Kardashians in order to be near Kourtney and the rest of the clan. Stick around because we're about to discuss the most luxurious features of the home. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss some crazy details about Scott Disick's $6 million mansion in Hollywood. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Famous reality TV star Scott Disick, best known for his role in Keeping Up with the Kardashians, loves nightlife and wild parties. He has had several business ventures, including starting the apparel brand Talentless, investing in nightclubs, and running several vitamin companies. He has become famous over time, and now his net worth is $45 million. Not only does he focus on how to find different sources of income, but he also has a long list of things he spends his millions on, including his new mega mansion in Hollywood, which is extremely similar to the mansions that the Kardashians own. The New York Post reported on the size and space of the new bachelor pad, saying, "The mansion is just over 8,110 square feet with 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, a pool, a spa, a fire pit, and a basketball court." The home also includes 2 children's wings, the perfect amount of space for his 3 children, Mason, Penelope, and Rain. Despite Scott purchasing the home for large parties, he decided to turn this bachelor pad into a family home for him and his kids. Scott has tried to sell the house multiple times, seemingly because he no longer wanted a bachelor-style home. Scott recently added another amazing feature to his house, which is none other than a newly installed zero-edge swimming pool. Scott has also customized his home with beautiful furniture. Some of its high-tech luxuries include an exclusive de rigueur smart home system and an amazing sound system. Disick has a habit of talking about his new purchase on Instagram, as he did when he posted a photo posing in front of an air purifier worth $3,500. He also did not leave a chance to explain his intentions regarding this purchase. His caption simply read, "Bringing peace of mind." Well, now we can agree that money can also buy peace, mates. Additionally, there is no hiding the fact that he has a tendency to buy high-priced items as often as he can. Disick also owns expensive artwork of the blue and orange pill from Hearst's Medicine Cabinets series. The cost of these pieces is notably high. The reality TV star's house in California's Hidden Hills cost him $6.98 million. It spans over 5,663 square feet and includes 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, an open kitchen, an attached car garage, 2 master suites, and a farmhouse. The actor seems to lead a lavish life and proves to enjoy spending money to pamper himself. And that's all for today, guys. Let us know what you think about his lifestyle, which features of his new home you like the most. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.